Today we are discuss about the subject web technology along with JavaScript. In web technology we can use the JavaScript. Let's see the introduction part. In JavaScript is a dynamic programming language. Why we said the dynamic programming language in this? The web page will be more responsible to the user, and also it is called as a client-side scripting language. Client-side scripting language in the sense it's use the less resources to the users. Then we can make your web page is more lively and interactive. Whenever user gone through the website, it will be more lively to the user, and we can also done with the game development, mobile development and validation process. Validation process in the sense whenever we check the email ID, we must have the @ symbol, and also we check the phone numbers also must be in 10 digits. So this is a process to check the validation process. Why we studies in the JavaScript? In HTML, we defines the content of the web page. Content of the web page in the sense it's the exact matter of what we are searching. And CSS, it specifies the layout of web page. Layout in the sense it's a structure of a web page. We can use a web page on these two, but these two are very static web pages. Whenever you using a JavaScript, it will be behavior of a web page more lively to the user. And now we can used in the server side also with the help of framework. Frameworks in the sense AngularJS, Node.js is all frameworks. It's also called as a open source and lightweighter. Open source in the sense it's easy to available to download, and it will be used in various platform also. That's why I put the platform independency. Next, data types. Data types is used to hold the different types of values. It can be classified into two types of data types. One is primitive, another one is complex. In primitive data types, we can use in 4 ways: number, Boolean, string and null. In number, we can use integer and float value to the program. So for example, where x equal to the program, where is my variable declaration, I assign the value of x equal to 42. Then will be the floating point. We must be specified the dot. It's representing the floating point. And next will be the Boolean. Boolean is in a logical values. It's representing the logical value true or false. If it is true, it shows the 1. If it is false, it is 0. 1 or 0 is just not the value. It's just specify the it's true or false to the data types. Next, string. String is represented as a sequencing of character that must be enclosed with single quotes or double quotes. For example, in double quotes, we'll give any value like this, or for single quotes, we have to write like this. And null, last value is null. We can consist of a single value. Whenever you passing the null, it's automatically convert to the default value. Here I am passing the null, it will be converted onto the default value. Next one is a complex data type. Then array must be written within a square brackets. So where name equal to, within square bracket we can use the array. So first name, it can be separate, items will be separated on comma, so be the last name. So next will be the complex data types. Complex data types can be classified into 2 ways: arrays and object. We can use the arrays like this. Whenever you use the arrays, we can use square brackets. In square bracket, I write the first name and the last name. Items are separated by comma. And then object, we can use here the curly braces. The value must be paired with the symbol of colon. So first name, I'll pass the value Anya, and the last name will be the A.